Whoa! It's me, Mythbuster19, back with my kitty Joey. Let me fix the camera that she pushed with her legs slash paws. But she's my little kitty, and she's gonna help me through this boss battle. Hip hip. Hooray! I call, well, this boss is the Galactic Octopus. Oh, there's about 1,000 of them. I'm gonna have to turn every last one of them. Guys, just see in the next part. No, I'm joking, there's actually 1, 2, maybe not even one. Wow! I completely forgot. There we go. An octopus battle is about to begin. This is probably one of the more annoying bosses. Most of the least annoying, I would think, is, what's it called? Raging Raven. I did not have that much trouble with Raging Raven. I got a cool item from this person. It's the face camo. I'm gonna have the Raiden and Otacon face camo, which are both really useful. Yeah. That's how it's gonna be. Um, I got Jelly Beans here for emotional support for me. I like it. She's my emotional supporter. And she's our kitty. Yeah. Whoa! Doggy, stop. Okay. So, in the first part, I have to kill a bunch of people. Oh, wait. I'll save, okay, sure. Okay, I'll save. God. I need to save a lot more often. It's pretty cool stuff. I like it. There's 3 things I have to do. I'm gonna have to lead up to the boss fight. There's gonna be a bunch of enemies. Gotta kill the boss, and then I gotta kill the beauty. But I think that she looks like she's on crack. Tell me your opinion too. Okay, syringe. That's gonna be useful in a very long time. Okay. Now, I'm not saying like like a short long time, but it's gonna be a long time before I get to use that. I would just say Okay, I just said it again. So, no, I didn't have my operator. I'll replace it with a. There. Okay, I'll just use it. Never actually used this. Oh, it's a snake holds it. So. Yeah, at first I gotta kill a bunch of enemies. And the weapon octopus isn't good yet. I have to kill a bunch of frogs. I'm not looking at those frogs. They can't see me yet. They're gonna be controlling the area. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna look for him. I'm gonna go. Frogs. Frogs, get out! Okay, Josie just left. Two girls on once. Heck no. Guess I just walked back to my good old friend, M4 Custom. Yes, I had to do that. just gotta roll right into it. Not much I could say right now, but I'll try the animated levels. Like the boss is easy. Guys, yes, I probably sound like I'm crazy. See, look, that's rock. Gotta roll right into it. You get 24 minutes. That's just my. Whoa. Let me see how much time I got. Wow, that's a lot. Got 9 minutes of recording time, but I'm probably gonna cut it in sooner. Oh, be blind. You're blind, lady. Blind and blind. Okay, here's the laughing octopus. This thing is annoying. But that's why I got you guys here with my M60. Yes, that's what I like to use. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, that's why she's really pretty annoying. Then she goes off and flies like a jerk. It's really quick sound. Let's find it. That's what octopuses get. Okay. If you can see her, send a comment down below. I know she's in the raft. Sure. Oh, there's the last Yeah, but she gets pretty annoying. Guys, I might have to cut this all out. Cause, yeah, I'm gonna have to stop it here. Guys, well, I'll show my face. Guys, I'm gonna get the boss fight, go to the beauty fight, and then, yeah, you know what? I'll just do it.